Hello, friends. Welcome to TechAlt. My name is Ben, and we have created this channel to get you an awesome and the latest content to let you know what's happening in the tech world. The mind blowing softwares, technology, and the digital platforms which can further help you to accelerate your business or an individual goals. This is our first video on YouTube and many more to come. So stay tuned and let's get started. Technology has created amazing tools and resources, putting useful information at our fingertips. Modern technology has paved the way for multifunctional devices like the smartwatch and the smartphone. With all of these revolutions, technology has also made our lives easier, faster, better, and more fun. There are many advancements in the technology world in the last 2 decades. Artificial intelligence, AI is the technology used for equipping computer systems with the ability to make decisions like human. Social media apps to communicate with thousands of friends across the globe. Intelligent marketing softwares and apps. Apps made our life easier to deal with thousands of customers at the same time. Blockchain, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. Data science, Internet of Things, robotic process automation, virtual reality, edge computing, intelligent apps. The technology created many billionaires in the last decades, like Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos from Amazon. Do you know that 9 of the 20 wealthiest people in the world are tech tycoons? One more than on the 2019 list. The 20 richest people in technology are worth a combined $740 billion. And now it's your time to understand how technology works. So stay tuned, subscribe our channel for more videos and have the information what is going on. Thank you.